Hi there, my name is Leanne Gunnell, your real estate strategist and advisor in South Metro Denver. If you're thinking about buying a home, you're probably excited and maybe a little nervous too. That's normal. This is a big step and you deserve to walk into it with clarity and confidence. So today, let's talk about 15 red flags to watch for when you're out house hunting. These are things that might seem small but can point to bigger issues hiding beneath the surface. Number 1, foundation cracks or sloping floors. If you see wide cracks, doors that don't close right, or uneven floors, pay attention. These might be signs of foundation issues, and those repairs don't come cheap. Number 2, a strong or overpowering sense. When a house hits you with air fresheners, candles, or plug-ins the moment you step in, ask why. It could be masking pet smells, mildew, smoke, or something more serious. Number 3, fresh paint in just one spot. A newly painted ceiling patch or one oddly clean wall, that could be covering up past water damage. Always ask questions. Number 4, water stains or discoloration. Check the ceilings. Check around windows and in corners. Stains mean leaks, and leaks lead to mold, rot, or worse. Number 5, sloppy do-it-yourself repairs. Those DIY repairs. Loose tiles, crooked cabinets, or uneven drywall usually means shortcuts were taken. And if the visible fixes are sloppy, imagine what you can't see. Number 6, outdated or unsafe electrical. Look for old panels, two-prong outlets, or exposed wires. These can be safety hazards, and modernizing an electrical system isn't a weekend project. Number 7, poor ventilation. Attics, crawl spaces, and basements should breathe. Musty air could mean trapped moisture, and trapped moisture means mold and rot. Number 8, sticky or jammed windows. Windows that won't open or stick when they do could mean settling, past water damage, or poor maintenance. Another thing worth noting. Number 9, signs of deferred maintenance. Leaky faucets, broken light fixtures, or wild landscaping can be signs of a homeowner who hasn't kept up with regular care, and there may be more hiding. Number 10, roof is in rough shape. Missing shingles, sagging areas, or an old roof which is 20 plus years. Although you do have to watch for some of the newer materials. Some of those last much longer. Those things can mean a big bill is waiting for you right after closing. Get ahead of those. Basement moisture or mold is number 11. A damp or musty basement isn't just unpleasant, it's a warning. Mold remediation is expensive and impacts your health and air quality. Number 12, no permits for renovations. I know this is a little controversial for a lot of people, but if you see a brand new kitchen or an addition, ask to see the permits. Those big projects deserve permits. No paperwork could mean unpermitted work, and that can bring illegal and safety headaches down the road. Number 13, neighborhood red flags. Look outside the home too. Multiple for sale signs, neglected properties, or empty schools in the area can affect your long-term investment and quality of life. Okay, number 14, inconsistent flooring or patching. Mismatched flooring, weird transitions between rooms. This could be hiding water damage or just a sign someone rushed through the repairs or didn't have an overall feel or look flow, and so it causes a really patchy look. Number 15, okay, pushy sellers or agents. If someone's rushing you through a showing, discouraging inspections, or avoiding your questions, slow down. Pressure is never a good sign when you're making a major investment. So what's the bottom line? Buying a home is a big deal, and you deserve to find one that feels good and stands the test of time. Don't be afraid to ask hard questions, dig a little deeper, and walk away if something feels off. The right home is out there, and you'll find it with eyes wide open. If you want a checklist of this, a printable version, or just someone to talk through the process with, I've got your back. I'm Leanne Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver.